At the edge of the waking world, Vong walks alone, 19 winters behind him, and a crossbow on his back. Vong steps into the forest where names are forgotten, where vines whisper, and the mist remembers. The hunt has begun, but he is not the only one hunting. Vong kneels, fingers tracing the wounds of something too large to name. The bark bleeds sap. The vines do not move, but the fog, it watches. Behind him, eyes bloom like embers in the mist, and the heat turns cold. The jungle does not sleep tonight. Vong runs not from the beast, but from its memory. Red eyes flicker. Trees close in. The spirit follows. Behind the boulder, he clutches silver. But silver cannot stop something born of curses and hunger. In the heart of the jungle, Vong draws a circle of remembering. Red thread. Bitter leaf. Whispered names. Old protection for a new terror. The demon hag slithers close, wearing her voice like skin. But he does not move. To survive, he must not believe. In the clearing where old spirits wake, Vong stands alone beneath the watching moon. The demon hag circles smoke, claw, and hunger. One breath, one shot. And the jungle remembers who bled first. At sunrise, the jungle forgets the screams. But Vong remembers. He found the edge of the spirit world and returned. But not all of him came back. Some doors close with silence. Others keep watching.